So this is Cloudflare at cloudflare.com, and once you get to the home page, you're just going to click sign up, and you'll go through a basic sign up process. There's no credit card information or anything like that. It's just an email confirmation, and I've skipped that part just for the sake of brevity here. So you're going to add your website once you've confirmed your email address, whatever website that you want to create a CDN for, and then you just click add website. Now here you're going to configure what's called your DNS records, your domain name system records, and this is really simple. It's, for example, if you had a blog, and maybe your blog is at blog.yourwebsite.com, it's going to pull in all of those possibilities. So for example, Google has maps.google.com, and it'll pull in all the domains and what are called subdomains. Subdomains would be like the maps.google.com. If they have everything there, just click continue. Now, there's three options. There's the free one that I mentioned. We're going to do the free plan just for this demo here. And then we're just going to click continue. Now, what you're doing with a CDN is you're transferring your data from your current host, wherever your information is located, to Cloudflare's hosts, which are all over the world. So, on the next page, it's going to tell you step by step how to do that for basically all of the major hosts. So it has internet.bs, register.com, fastdomain, domain.com, and I'm going to include this link in the resources so that whatever host you use, you can figure out how to transfer all of your information to Cloudflare. So you just click on whatever host you have. And it's really easy. It's just step by step. You're just logging into your account, and then it's going to walk you through the process, make it very easy for you. Now, I didn't want to leave you hanging, so I'm just going to give you a quick example here of how to change your server from your current host to Cloudflare's. So I know that a common place to buy websites is GoDaddy.com, and so I'm here in my account, and I just want to show you how easy it is to do this. I know I said that they give you a list and has all the descriptions of how to change your host depending on where your servers are located, but I'm just going to give you this quick example because I don't really like the way people explain things sometimes. So if you just click launch when you open up your dashboard for GoDaddy next to your website, you'll see a list of the domain names you've bought here. And if you click on it, put a little check next to it, you'll see all the options at the top light up. And you just click here and go down to servers. You're going to see your current host in there, but if you go to the top right and you click edit name servers, you would then just delete what you have in there, and then you'd want to go back to Cloudflare and look at the two hosts or two server names that they gave you. Now the first one was dina.ns.cloudflare.com. And the second was tim.ns.cloudflare.com. And then after that, you would just hit OK, and that would change your name servers. And then you would go back to Cloudflare and just hit continue. And that's really all you're doing. It's not anything complicated. So Cloudflare has a plugin that makes the process of handling Cloudflare on your site even easier. But for now, we're going to type in Cloudflare into the plugins list and then install now for the plugin. And if you scroll down, you'll see you have Cloudflare now as in your plugin list. And that's the basic process of setting up a CDN.